Hi friends! So today we are going to go ahead and take Rishi's test. So we are going to see how much Hindi he knows, and before we start with that, this is going to be really exciting. I'm hoping it's going to be. So before we start that, I'm going to give you a little bit of background knowledge of how we brought up Rishi and how often we speak Hindi with him. So initially when Rishi was born, we started speaking in Hindi with him. Once we started speaking in Hindi, he would also respond. Obviously, he learned Hindi and he started answering in Hindi. Then once he started his schooling, certain funny things happened. So I'll just share a few. So the first funny thing that happened was when he was, I think, in first grade. So in first grade, the teacher was handing out some, brown bags. So if you don't know what brown bags are, those are like, khaki lifafas that we say. So she was distributing these brown bags because they had been eating donuts. So if you were not able to finish it, she was like, I have brown bags. You can use these to put your donuts and you can take them home. So every kid who needed it would go to the teacher and ask for it. Now, when Rishi went there, and since we had been speaking in Hindi with him, so he went and told the teacher, can I please have lifafa? And now lifafa is, that's what we say for a bag, a plastic bag or a bag in Hindi. And that's what he probably heard me saying someday. So the teacher was like, what? And she had no clue what he was asking. So she asked again, what do you want? So he said, can I have a lifafa? And she said, I don't have it. And she had these brown bags in her hand. And Rishi was like, she was so confused that she has it in her hand. Why she's not giving it to me? So then he had to actually, luckily he had that, brain bulb light up. And he pointed at this and he said, I want this. So then the teacher said, oh, okay, the brown bag, and handed over. So this was when he came back and told me that this is what happened. I was quite surprised. And at that time, I realized that since we are speaking in Hindi with him, he's having difficulties communicating with teachers and maybe even other kids at school because he's using certain Hindi words. So then we had to switch from Hindi to English for some time. And then, now he's an expert in English, and in fact, he corrects us nowadays. So now, since he's, already expert, so we've gone back and we have started speaking in Hindi at home with him. So both me and my husband, we speak in Hindi with Rishi. So we are hoping that he is good at Hindi, but we are going to test. And the first test for Rishi is going to be, are you nervous?
No.
You better be.
It doesn't matter.
There are millions of our friends watching.
Everyone already knows I fail at this.
Let's see. So, okay. So already he has decided he's going to fail. So that's good for us, right? So, okay. So this is the first kid in our life that we've seen who's happy to fail without even attempting. Okay. So now we are going to have two parts of this test. So the first part, Rishi, is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and speak something in Hindi. And you're going to go ahead and translate it in English. Okay?
That's easy.
Yeah. See, I knew that was going to be easy. So what we're going to do, I'm going to tell you in Hindi also. मैं हिंदी में बोलूंगी and Rishi उसको translate करके English में बोलेगा. So let's get started. And I have to think, because I haven't made what I need to ask him. Okay. मेरा नाम ऋषि है.
My name is Rishi.
You need to be slow and loud.
My name is Rishi.
Okay. So he gets a correct. Thumbs up means right.
Do I get like points?
We'll see.
And then like we can compare it or something.
I guess we should ask them. They can count the points and then
Yes.
they can in the comment section tell how many points you got.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, you keep track of the points, but I'll give thumbs up or thumbs down, or I'll say check or cross. Okay. So the first one he got right. Let's see. What else should I say? I'm a very intelligent boy.
I'm a very intelligent boy.
Oh, I was supposed to say it. I was supposed to say in Hindi.
I was like, what?
Okay, I have to say in Hindi. Okay, guys. Okay, so
It's kind of like what my teacher does.
Let me think. What should I ask? मैं बहुत ही शरारती बच्चा हूँ.
I am. What was I going to say it? Very playful boy. I can't
No.
figure out what does replace playful with.
Shararti.
Fun.
No, fun is not shararti. But you have to be quick.
So I am a playing around boy. I don't know exactly what to say for it.
Down, guys. He doesn't know what shararti in English
I do,
is.
but I mean, like, I don't know how to translate
Okay.
exact words.
So shararti is naughty. So I'm a very
Oh, I
naughty
didn't
boy.
even think about that.
Okay. So next one. मुझे अपनी माता से बहुत प्यार है.
I love my mom very much. Stop.
Okay, next. मैं अपनी माता से ज्यादा प्यार करता हूँ अपने बापू से भी ज्यादा.
Stop it. I love you more than my dad.
No, मैं अपनी माता से
Wait, you're talking about yourself or
Gosh, I'm bad at
I'm
making
so
Hindi,
confused.
guys. I'm so good at Hindi, but then I have to make sentences in Hindi.
Say random stuff.
अच्छा, hold on, let me say. मैं अपनी माता से अपने बापू से ज्यादा प्यार करता हूँ.
I'm so confused. You said, okay, I love my mom more than I love my dad.
Good. Tongue.
It's so confusing.
Okay. मैं अपनी माता जी का सारा कहना मानूंगा.
I will follow all of the directions from my mom.
Say again.
I will follow all directions from my mom.
Okay, kind of okay, but the better would have been that I will listen to my mother all the time. That
Isn't
was
there
what the better.
one correct answer?
No, there's not, because I'm trying to tell you sentences which would be really good. Okay. अब मैं अपनी माता जी को एक चुम्मी दूंगा.
What's a chummy? I will give my mom a chummy.
No,
What is a
you
chummy?
don't know what chummy is.
What is a chummy? What in the world? What is a chummy?
What do you think it is?
How in the world do I know what a chummy is? It sounds like a mouse or something. What is that? A chummy. That's the weirdest word in history. Chummy? Is that even a word?
Yeah, I guess it is, right? I don't know what in Hindi else I should say.
Chummy?
Yeah.
It's the weirdest thing.
Think, what can you give which is like a chummy to your mother? What your mother wants?
I don't know what you want.
If I'm saying कि मैं अपनी माता जी को एक चुम्मी दूंगा, what do you think? I would be asking
I
you
will
to
hit
give
you.
me. He knows what chummy is, guys. It looks like
I don't
it's
know.
opposite of hit. Which your mother keeps asking
Love.
you. No, which I keep asking you to give, but you will never give it to me.
Kiss.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Now translate it.
I will
Proper
give my mother a kiss.
Okay, then give
No,
me.
I was just.
He said
I
it,
was
right?
just
Now you need to give
translating.
me.
No, I was just translating. That's
Right? So you need to do what you're saying.
No.
Okay.
No way.
So I guess we can give it kind of a thumbs up for this one. Okay. So I think we should stop this Hindi to English now.
No.
And we are going to do the next round.
No,
So
stop.
before we start the rest round, I think, give me a second. So for the first round,
What?
Rishi gets...
What is
So for the first round, he won. Now can I have my credit?
Oh, what? Yes, I had won it.
Oh, because we need to do the next round.
Oh,
If
so
you-
I see. You're just going to give me the same one for the next round. Wow.
If you win,
How do I know whether I win? What is win?
win.
What exactly, like, what is exactly?
If you win the next round, you get it.
Yeah, I know, but like certain point value?
I don't know. I'm not keeping track. Guys, you need to keep track of the points he's
Then
getting.
how do you know whether I'm winning or not?
This one was a win because you got most of them up.
Okay, fine.
So I could figure it out.
I'm going to fail.
Okay,
this.
now you can't look here. So you need to Turn around a bit. Turn around. No cheating. You know I get very serious about those things.
Yes.
Move ahead. Okay, so I need to find out. Okay. Now guys, the next round will be, I need to hide this. Rishi, please don't.
No.
Otherwise I'm going to fail you
But
right
if you
now.
help me.
No. Okay, now serious. You're taking a test.
Stop it.
Okay, so guys, the next round is, now I'm going to go ahead and say, I spoke in what? Hindi right now, right? Yeah. So I'll speak in English and he has to translate it in Hindi. So in other words, मैं English में बोलूंगी और ऋषि उसको change करके हिंदी में बोलेगा. And this is gonna be fun, I'm hoping. Okay. Earlier one was fun too. Okay. So let's see. Hello. मेरा नाम ऋषि है. You have to say it in Hindi.
Hello. मेरा नाम है ऋषि.
You have to say it in? Yeah. Say again. I forgot.
Hola. मेरा नाम.
Hola? He's speaking Spanish that he learns in school.
I keep messing it up.
What is hola? Okay, say it again.
I think you read it. I think
Hello?
you read it in Hindi actually.
No, I said hello. My name is Rishi. Now say it in Hindi.
Okay. Hello. मेरा नाम.
Hello in Hindi. What do you say hello
I
in
don't
Hindi?
know. I don't remember.
I can give you a hint.
Please give me a hint. Namaste.
Okay.
Namaste. मेरा नाम है ऋषि.
No, मेरा नाम है ऋषि.
Yes.
There's
Oh,
always...
okay. मेरा नाम ऋषि है.
Yes.
How does it matter? It says my name is, which is
Like is you can't put is in the end. Same way, has is never going to be anywhere else but in the end.
How does that matter that much?
Okay, so kind of thumbs up. Okay, get ready. Next question. I am from USA.
Me?
Me?
I don't know. Mera?
I am from USA.
Yeah, Mera from USA. I don't know from Mera.
Just translate. How would you say? I am from USA.
Me from. I have no
You're not
idea.
going to get so long.
I don't know.
I'm from USA.
Yeah, I will not say I will not say
What's
from.
Hindi from for I? I.
Me.
हाँ तो बोल. आगे बोलो.
Me. Hey. USA. It works. It's close enough. Yeah, because hey is from. And also is like in Spanish. You can have two things be the same thing. You can, the same thing means two different
मैं USA.
Yes.
No, मैं USA से हूँ. I'm from is
Hey,
who.
hey, who? What is this? Hey, who?
Okay, look here.
Oh my God. What is hey, who?
Okay, now let's say someone has taken your candy from you, a toffee or a candy. So now you need to say, you have to say, this is mine.
That?
This is mine. How is this that in Hindi? This is mine.
I don't even know what this is. This.
While he's thinking, he's made me laugh so much, I started to cough.
I'm so bad at this.
You are.
Oh my God.
And this is after us speaking in Hindi for I don't know how many years.
I don't remember.
You keep thinking, you can't get time, you can't talk.
You said this is mine.
This is mine.
Mera hai.
Mera. Okay, kind of. I don't know if I need to give him this or this. Mera.
Yes. Why was it? Yes.
ये मेरा है. This is ये.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, let's say you found a candy on the ground and you need to ask them, is this yours?
Tera hai yours.
What?
Tera hai.
Is this yours?
Tera hai. Wait, what? This is yours.
Is this yours?
Is this yours?
You're asking a question. Is this
Tera
yours?
hai question mark. That's it. Tera hai question mark. It works.
It works.
It works. Tera hai question mark. Yours isn't technically.
I don't think this is dumb. Is this yours? Is this question है तो is this में ask क्या ये तेरा है?
That's so complicated.
God, you've given me a
Kya
cough.
hai tera hai? Kya hai tera hai? What?
क्या ये means
Oh,
this.
ये.
क्या ये तेरा है?
This is so
Mine is मेरा, yours is तेरा. इतना बारी मैं हिंदी में बोलती हूँ. मैं कितनी बार बोलती हूँ ऋषि मेरा फोन ला दे. मेरा नहीं पता, मेरा means mine.
Okay, fine.
ऋषि अपना फोन ला दे या तेरा फोन ला दे.
Fine.
Okay, so
But you said maybe and now you made
no,
it
this
sound.
was not maybe.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe.
Let's say you want to ask someone. Now you need to ask them, since you're so bad in Hindi. So he has to ask now, if he finds a person who speaks only Hindi, he needs to ask them, do you speak English? So you need to ask them, but you need to ask them in Hindi. Because once they say yes.
Tera, speaker.
Hold on. The reason why I'm asking you is this. So when you ask them that, do you speak English in Hindi? And they say, answer you back, then you'll know if you can speak in English with them. And then
I
you're
don't know
safe.
what yes was in Hindi.
I don't know. Do you speak? Oh, you don't know what yes is?
Yes, I don't know.
I'm going to ask him now. Do you speak English? Now go ahead and translate it.
Tera, speaker. Wait, no, can we speaker? I just made it up. Tera. Hindi.
Tera Hindi?
Wait,
I
I'm not
said,
done.
do you speak
No,
English?
I'm not done yet. Tera, Hindi, and if you speak. Tera, Hindi hai.
What do you mean by Tera Hindi?
Yeah. But hey can mean a bunch of things.
Tera Hindi hai?
Yes. Ask him. Tera Hindi hai. No, response to me. Yes or no.
नहीं, मेरा हिंदी नहीं है. सारों का हिंदी.
What? That doesn't make any sense. What are you saying? What?
मेरा हिंदी नहीं है.
Okay.
मेरा हिंदी है.
You see something like Quera for like the do you, and then like Hindi. What is speak?
Do you speak English? I asked.
Oh, Tera, no, Quera?
Huh?
Quera?
Quera?
Quera. You said Quera for the one before. You said that there's something like Q.
There is no Hindi word called Quera.
Really? You said something like Q for like the question mark, L question mark one.
That is kya.
Oh yeah, Kya?
Do you speak
Oh
English?
yes, Kya Tera Hindi. Oh, it's like Kya Tera English, sorry.
What are you trying to say? Kya tera English? Do you know what it means?
Yes.
Kya tera English? Is your English?
Yeah, well, they can figure out because it's English and like your English, like say, oh, something like speak, yeah. They'll figure it out.
They'll figure it out. Guys, did you figure it out? Ask them the question. Ask them.
Would I
ask
say
our
that?
Indian friends. You need to
I
ask them.
forgot what I said. I just forgot what I said.
You need to ask them. Do you speak English? Look at the camera and ask
Kya,
them.
Kya,
Do you speak English?
Kya hai Tera? Wait, no, Kya English hai.
English.
Right? Did I say that? Or did I say Kya English Tera?
Kya English tera? No, mera tera.
Is it your English? No, it doesn't make sense.
You need to say, क्या आप English बोलते हैं?
Oh, it's Bolte.
बोलते.
Bolte.
Yes, butchered Hindi.
It's Bolte. You just said it.
Bolte.
Yeah.
Bolte.
Yes.
Say it again. Bolte.
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 Okay. What is yes in Hindi?
C. No, sorry. I'm taking it to my brain.
Is that Spanish?
Automatically
Better in
came to my
Spanish
brain.
than in Hindi.
You're gonna make me mess up. So in my Spanish, you ask me, say what's your name, and I'll be like, I don't remember how to say it in Hindi now. It's like Mera naam. I'll say Mera naam. And you'll be like, what are you talking about? Okay. What is yes?
Yes.
I'm thinking.
I've used so many times, man.
Ha.
Ha. No.
You just said 2 minutes ago. You're like
No.
No.
No is not no in Hindi.
Knee. I forget.
There's no word knee in Hindi.
Oh yes, remember it was yes was hey?
Hey? Hey?
Was it hey? Was it hey? What?
What is yes?
Just forgot. Ha, yes it was ha. So that no, it's supposed to be the opposite. What do you think about that? Ah, it works. I don't quite remember, but it could be that. It could say ah. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. That's impossible.
He took ha and opposite H-A-A and made it A-H-A.
Stop. Well, that would be logical, but things are not quite
Oh my
logical. So we need to think accordingly how they would think.
No. So many times I keep telling you no. in
Nah.
Hindi. Nah, kind of, but it's nahi.
Oh
No.
my god.
Nahi. Don't I say nahi Rishi, ye nahi karna. Oh my god.
Stop it.
This is a disaster, guys. Do not put comments and say I'm a bad mom who did not teach him Hindi. I did my best. This kid is a dumbo. Okay. Now this is really important. How are you?
Namaste. Wait, no, that's hi.
I never said hello or hi.
Namaste. How are you?
How are you? Namaste.
Tera qua. No, it's kya. Tera kya hai.
तेरा
Kya hai.
मेरा कुछ नहीं है सब भगवान जी का है
Stop it.
How are you? तेरा क्या है I can go on and on. This is so funny.
How are you? Tera क्यों है?
तेरा क्यों है?
Yes.
मेरा क्यों है? तो saying, why is it yours? तेरा क्यों है?
Stop.
How are you?
Tera are no.
Flop.
How are you? What's you? Two. Keep coming to my brain. Qualis la feature. I don't know why.
What? Say it loud. You
Wait.
say Spanish.
I said no. It's like qual es la fecha, which means what is the date? I don't know why it keeps coming to me. Oh my god.
By the end of this, he'll be crazy and mad.
Oh my god. Okay, wait.
How are you? Come on, my God. That person will walk away by now. The one you were asking.
I don't need to ask how are you.
Right? You meet someone. You will
I
have to
don't
ask
care
how
about
are
saying
you.
how are you. First of all, do you speak English?
That's normal.
I don't need to ask
How do you
are
ask? Do you speak English?
I'll ask. No. Q. Tera bola.
क्यों तेरा बोला? What are you asking them?
Bola Q Tera.
What are you asking?
You
In
speak
English.
You speak English. Question.
Do you speak English? You'll say
I
what?
said Tera bola two. I forget.
तेरा बेड़ा गर्क. You understand what I'm saying? तेरा बेड़ा गर्क.
Stop it.
So he doesn't know who are you. नहीं, what did I ask? How are you? So
Who
how are you? You would have said आप कैसे हो?
Oh, I'm kissing. Oh.
In another 2 minutes you'll have forgotten.
No.
Okay, last one.
I will get this
Now
right.
you really need to go to pee pee.
What?
Okay, you really need to go to pee pee. So guys, PP means susu. And now you need to ask this person, where is the toilet? And you need to be quick, otherwise you'll be doing it right here.
Baño.
Huh?
Baño.
Baño?
Oh, sorry, that's Spanish. That's Spanish for restroom.
You can use toilet as toilet. They know, everybody in India knows what a toilet is.
Toilet. Hey, Q.
Hey, क्यों?
Toilet. Hey, Q.
Okay, now he'll say, मुझे क्या पता toilet क्यों है? Toilet, सुसु पोटी करने के लिए है.
Yes, I say yes, toilet, and then they'll tell me, oh, toilet where?
No. No, you need to ask them where is the toilet. You said toilet क्यों है? उसने कहा toilet सुसु पोटी के लिए है. So you
oh, I know, toilet qua hai.
Qua? What is
Yeah,
qua?
yeah, qua. Toilet qua. Wait. I thought there was a word like that.
Where
toilet
is the toilet?
Toilet Q hai.
Q
I already
means
said that. I think I already
means
said
why?
that. Oh. Toilet kya hai?
क्या?
क्या है? Toilet क्या है?
टॉयलेट क्या है?
No,
टॉयलेट विद सेम में क्या है? टॉयलेट क्या है? टॉयलेट एक कमरा है जिसमें आप जाके सुसु पॉटी करते हो.
No, that's a restroom, ma.
Toilet is a restroom. Oh my god.
Toilet is not a restroom.
Toilet-
Toilet is an actual toilet.
No, you're asking them rest. In India, toilet means restroom or bathroom,
Oh, okay.
not the
Toilet-
pot.
Toilet. It don't start with Q. Toilet.
Where is the toilet?
I'm thinking.
Your toilet has gone, Rishi.
Toilet.
By this time, you would have done it in your pants.
I'll just find it myself. Toilet. Quay. Toilet. Toilet. Toilet.
Kui क्या होता है? There's no word like kui.
Yeah, I thought it was. It's getting harder.
What is where in Hindi? Where? Where should I go? Where should I sit? Where is my book? Where is the toilet?
God. Where is. Where? Quara. Toilet quara hai.
By this time, he's done his toilet in his pants.
Oh my god.
Because
No, I
nobody
already
can
told you. I'm so bad, I'll just find out on my own.
Oh.
Yes.
So the correct was toilet कहाँ है?
I
Where
was
is
so close. I
कहाँ?
said qua and I said
Qua is
kya.
nothing.
I said kya and then I was like no.
Okay, now last one.
I thought you said that was the last one.
This is the last one. You want to buy something, your parents are not with you, but you have the money.
I'll just give it to say I want. I'll say and I point to it and I'll have it.
No,
Yes.
I find this and the people will think that you can't speak.
Yeah,
You're dumb.
yeah, I don't care. I just want it.
Now you are going to ask them, how much is this?
Tira. क्या है? तेरा क्या है?
What does that mean?
तेरा क्या?
What was the
Wait,
question?
I know. I need to ask for cost. I need to put in cost somewhere. Tera rupee.
How much is this?
I know. Tera rupee. Hey.
हाँ मेरा रुपी है पर ये मेरा रुपी नहीं है सबका रुपी है.
What are you saying?
How much is this?
Yeah, I asked him. Tera rupee.
At least he knows Indian currency is rupees.
Tera rupee.
I
क्या
should add
है?
myself.
Tera rupee क्या है?
तेरा
क्या?
रुपी
There
क्या
was
है?
क्या नहीं. What was there again? I forget.
कहाँ?
Yeah, तेरा रुपी क्या है?
कहाँ?
कहाँ है?
कहाँ है? मेरा रुपी मेरी पॉकेट में है.
God.
मुझसे तेरा रुपी कहाँ है? मेरा रुपी मेरी पॉकेट में है.
Okay.
मेरे पर्स में है. निकाल के दिखाऊं?
Tera. Okay, I'll point here. Tera.
What are you pointing at?
Whatever I want. Tera. Rupee. rupee, and I'll show him rupee. I'll be like, hey. And he'll tell me how much.
पागल खाने को बुलाओ. Mental बच्चा आ गया.
Oh my god. Okay. Let me think.
Give up?
No, I'm thinking. Tera.
This is the last one.
No, I can need more tries. Tera rupee.
I didn't even say rupee. I said, how much is this?
I know cost makes up for rupee. Now let's see.
कुछ भी.
You can figure it out by saying rupee. Kya?
You are doing so many breaks. I don't even know what you said now.
Rupee.
इतना रुक के बोल रहा है.
Stop it.
ये नहीं पता चला पीछे क्या बोला.
Rupee kya? Hey two.
Say it again.
2 rupee kya hai?
2 rupee क्या है?
What? Why do you keep laughing? I'm telling you something important. 2 rupee kya hai? Or you can have said 2 rupee kya hai, but the same thing. I just did it. You have to give me thumbs up now.
What? Say it.
2 rupee kya hai?
13 rupee क्या है? Let me translate it in English and tell you what you're saying. 13 rupee क्या है?
Yeah.
I don't even know what to translate.
Or 2 rupee kya hai?
Why are you rupee?
What?
2 rupee क्या है?
What?
Why are you rupee?
What?
It doesn't even make any sense.
Okay.
Last chance, Rishi. Last chance.
No. Kya hai 2 rupee costo?
Eh?
Kya hai
What was the question in English?
How much does it cost?
Okay.
13 rupee costo kya hai?
Hello, police. I have a really sick and mental kid in my shop.
What do you
Can you
say?
please take him? He's made me crazy
But
and I'm getting mad.
I thought this spoke Hindi only.
I'm saying in English for them.
No.
Okay. Hello, police.
You still talking
मेरी
English.
दुकान में. Hello, police.
You said police.
Police is in Hindi.
What is it?
Hello, police. मेरी दुकान में एक पागल बच्चा आ गया है. उसको आप आके जरा उठा के ले जाओ. तब से मेरा दिमाग खराब कर रहा है. 13 रुपी क्या? वो 13 रुपी
13 rupee kya hai?
क्या है? Give up. Give up now. How much is this?
I don't know.
Okay. Pong.
Stop it.
It was. ये कितने का है?
Oh, kitne?
Say.
13 kitne kya hai?
अभी I said it.
Yeah.
How much
13?
is this?
13?
Where is 13? 13 means yours.
13 kitna kyan hai?
क्या?
13 kitna kyan? Stop it. You're messing me up. 13 kitna. What was it? 13 kitna kwa hai?
13 कितना कुआं है?
What? Oh, that's right. It was kya. 13 kitna kya hai? What? 13 kitna kya hai?
मेरा कितना कुछ नहीं.
Okay, fine. 13 kitna.
After telling it.
Wait. 13 kitna kwan hai?
कुआं क्या होता है?
I don't know. Stop. What is it?
ये कितने का है?
Oh, yeah.
ये you're asking for this thing ना?
Yeah.
तो ये कितने का? कितना
ये
means how much?
कितने है क्या?
हैं?
उसे ये कितने है? ये कितने क्वा है? Wait. No, but I actually just said what you just.
ये कितने का है?
I keep thinking of it as QUAA.
क्या means क्या? कितने का? You are confusing me now. I'm going to mess up my Hindi.
Kwa. You said
क्वा नहीं
kwa.
है.
You said kya.
ये कितने का है?
Ka. You said
के
kwa.
का
You said
ये
saying
कितने
kwa.
का है?
ये कितने का.
का
का
नहीं
का. ये कितने का है?
फिर से उनका बताना.
ये कितने का है? का है?
Okay, now this time let's see what he got. What his award is going to be.
Yes.
Close your eyes. I don't want you seeing it.
It has to be something good.
Yeah, definitely good.
Yeah. Because I tried, so it works. Even if I'm not that good, it's still good. Oh no!
This is what we gets for butchering our Hindi language.
What is this?
Our mother tongue that his mommy has been teaching him.
What is
There
this?
it is. You are the clown, the joker who butchered our Hindi language.
Yes, I like
इसने
it.
हिंदी
Yeah,
को बर्बाद कर दिया, खत्म कर दिया, उसका कबाड़ा बना दिया. Okay. Now guys, so what I've decided is we were planning to visit India in a few months, but with this guy's Hindi,
Yes.
I don't think we can go to India
No,
right now.
no, stop
Because if
talking.
seriously, Rishi, no, listen. What if he gets lost? He won't be able
I have
to
a
even
phone.
ask. No.
I have a phone.
No.
We don't live in private time. God, what are you saying?
And he needs to ask somebody
Why did you ask about it? I'll tell him I need
how to reach home, or I need some help. He's not going to be able to
They
communicate.
probably speak English though.
Everybody doesn't speak English.
Yeah, but some people, those few people are fine.
So,
Fine.
we are going to go, I have decided, as a mother, a very responsible mother, that for one more year, we are going to postpone our plans of coming to India
Of coming to India?
or going to India. I'm saying coming because there are many of Indian friends there. And I'm going to keep teaching him Hindi and take his test about a few months before we decide or plan to visit India. So, for 1 year at least, India is cancelled and this guy has to practice Hindi with me every day. So, ab Hindi mein bolo. Bye bye.
Wait, come on, you already
Now
gave me
we
the
go.
hat. I don't need to do any more.
No, now you need to say in Hindi. I'm going to say it in English. And then you're going to say bye bye in Hindi of what I'm saying. Okay guys, bye bye. We'll come back again pretty soon. Now you say.
Okay.
Okay, you can say okay guys.
Okay, guys.
तो अगर आप मेरे इस चैनल पे नए हो तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब के बटन को हिट करो और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करो ताकि आपको मेरा जब नया वीडियो मैं लगाऊं आपको उसके बारे में जल्दी से पता चल जाए।